Hey friends, if you encounter event ID 6008 after an unexpected Windows shutdown, then please watch this video. So this usually happens after a recent update with the display driver. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list for display adapters and right click on the primary display adapter. Select Properties, go to the Driver tab. If a problematic driver was installed, you'll get the option to roll back the driver, else it will be grayed out like it is right now. The next one would be to check for third-party programs installed on the system. And how would you do that? I would rather say disable them at startup, but I'll show you. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startups Apps tab here and then click on Status, and then you can right click and disable recently installed programs. The next one is to check for Windows updates. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. And lastly, a clean boot will be the solution. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command, go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.